Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to bring back the full shine to your old headlights and make them look like new. All you need are these three things: regular water, masking tape, and a headlight restoration kit. Before we get started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. We start by protecting the edges of the headlight with regular masking tape. After that, we spray a little water on the headlight and start sanding it with 600 grit sandpaper. For sanding, you can also use a machine, which will make the job much easier. Using 600 grit sandpaper, we sand until all the buildup and dirt on the headlight is completely removed. Don't forget to occasionally add water to make the sanding process easier. The next step is using 800 grit sandpaper, which further removes any remaining dirt and smooths out the uneven areas on the headlight plastic. We keep sanding until the surface of the headlight looks consistent and even across the entire lens. Then we clean the surface of the headlight to remove any fine residue from the sandpaper and other dirt. And after that, we move on to the next grit, which in my opinion is one of the most important steps. The next sandpaper is 1500 grit. With it, we remove all the fine imperfections and any unevenness created by the previous sanding stages. While sanding with this grit, make sure to frequently apply water to the surface of the headlight. And finally, we use 2000 grit sandpaper. With this, we bring the headlight plastic back to a factory-like finish and remove even the smallest imperfections that may not be visible to the naked eye. After that, we remove the tape and clean the headlight to prepare it for the final step, which is headlight sealing. You can buy this headlight restoration tool on various online websites, and in the next part I'll show you how to use it. First, we pour this headlight restoration liquid directly into the container. Then we put the lid on and plug the device into power so the liquid can heat up. Once the liquid has heated up, we point the nozzle toward the headlight and the restoration process begins. In other words, the plastic regains its factory shine and protective layer. At this stage, it is very important to wear a protective mask because the vapor from the liquid is harmful to human health. Move slowly across the entire surface of the headlight, and after that it will look like new. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content.